This is a daily breakdown for 2nd of September. I'm recording on this on the 3rd of September, but because I missed it. But 2nd of September for GJ. What we saw previously on 1st September was price made a high, and then I was thinking that if we could stay above 142, then we'd continue up. But we didn't stay above 142, and actually we came right below 142, and we started consolidating right here, right? So once this consolidation broke down, it retested a bit on 230, and then we continued down. Where did we continue down to? We continued down to the low from August 31st, the daily low, previous daily low. As soon as we tapped this previous daily low right here, price in fact did do a move back up around 60 pips. So I personally didn't like the sell move because reversals, right? Because I like reversals. So this would have been the best trade. I didn't trade it. I was in buys earlier, but I got stopped out. So this would have been proper. As soon as it tapped the daily low, if there's no 4-hour structure in place, daily lows will usually have some sort of reversal. So this was indeed 60 pips back up here, and that was from after like an hour, 45 minutes after London. It went up 50 pips, 60 pips, right? And then what happened in pre-New York was we came back to this level, we came back to this level, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40 minutes of rejection right below New York Open. It's pre-London, pre-New York. We made a move down, rejected that level again, not retested, made a lower high at New York Open, and then continued another lower high, and then we continued back down to this level. So this was another clear range, right? So once we rejected this resistance, we knew that price was going to make a move down to the next previous level, which was where we rejected the daily low. So 50 pips up, 50 pips down, right? I knew that if we kept continuing, we would eventually reach 141, which we did later on in the day. But a note to myself, after this reversal happened, I thought that price would most likely continue up, and that maybe this was just a lower wick on the daily candle. And I was expecting price to do something like this, and then we would enter buys up here, right? That would be safe because it's closing above 142. But that didn't happen, so note to self, do not just anticipate, just watch and trade what the market is showing you and not what you think, because I missed the sell waiting for this, I missed the sell when in fact I could have entered a sell here, retest of 800, 141.800, perfect lower high, or we could have entered sells up here when we saw the constant rejection in lower time frames. So yeah, that's just a note to self, to just continue trading what the market is showing you and not what you think is going to happen, because I was waiting for this and I missed out on 50 pips. That's okay. Let's just see another day, but it was just just a cognitive bias that got in the way of me not executing on this sell. So that's it for September 1st, 2020. Right? September 1st. Yep, September 2nd, sorry. Yeah. September 2nd.